The bones of the body: frontal bone, parietal bone, occipital bone, temporal bone. This one is the sigmoidal bone. So if this is the sigmoidal bone, this is your nasal bone, your maxilla or maxilla, and then this is your mandible. From there, let's go to the vertebral column. We have the cervical bones. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cervical bones. We have 12 thoracic bones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 5 lumbar bones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have the bones of the sacrum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have the bones of the coccyx. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So those are your vertebral columns. Next, we have here your clavicle bone. This is your clavicle, which is connected to the sternum. And then it is also connected to your scapula or your shoulder blades. You also have your rib cage here. So these are your true ribs. And we also have what we call as your floating ribs because they are not connected to the sternum. From the clavicle, we have the humerus, we have the radius, and the ulna. And then we have the carpals here, the metacarpals. And then we have your proximal phalange, your medial phalange, and your distal phalange. Again, so this is your carpals, the group of small bones here, your metacarpals, and then we have your proximal phalanges, your medial phalanges, and then your distal phalanges. We have here the pelvic bone. And from the pelvic bone, we have here the femur and your patella. So the round bone here is your patella, which is also connected to your tibia, the bigger bone, and the fibula, the smaller bone at the back, which is also connected to your tarsals. So the group of bones here are your tarsals, your metatarsals, and then we have your proximal phalanges, your medial phalanges, and your distal phalanges. So those are the bones of the human body.